Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. Today I want to show you how to knit this easy stitch with triangles. For this stitch you need to know only knit and purl stitches. For this stitch you need to cast on the number that is multiple of 8 here, multiple of 8 plus 1 extra stitch and plus 2 selvage stitches. For this big example, I cast on 35 stitches. The stitch is perfect for blankets or scarves, baby scarves or cardigans, of course. If you want to learn it, let's do it together. So let's start. There will be in total 8 rows. First row, slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let's repeat these 8 stitches. Knit 1, purl 7, and repeat till the end. Knit 1, purl 7. At the end, as you remember, we have one extra stitch. You knit it and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. Row number 2, slip the first stitch, purl 2, knit 5, purl 1, and repeat again. Purl 2, knit 5, purl 1. Purl 1. Please go on repeating till the end. At the end, the last extra stitch, purl 1 and purl the very last selvage stitch. Row number 3, slip the first stitch, knit 3, purl 3. And knit 2. And let's repeat these 8 stitches. Knit 3, purl 3, knit 2. Please go on repeating till the end. At the end, last extra stitch, knit 1 and purl the selvage stitch. Turn row number 4, slip the first stitch, purl 4, knit 1 and purl 3. 1, 2, 3. And let's repeat. Purl 4, knit 1, purl 3. Please go on repeating till the end. At the end, purl 1 extra stitch and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn row number 5, slip the first stitch, and again the same in the same way, purl 4, knit 1, purl 3. Let's repeat. purl 4, knit 1, purl 3. Go on repeating till the end. At the end, purl 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Row number 6, knit, slip the first stitch, knit 3, purl 3, and knit 2. And let's repeat again. Knit 3, purl 3, knit 2. Go on repeating as many times as needed. At the end, knit 1 extra stitch and purl last selvage stitch. Turn row number 7, slip the first stitch, purl 2, knit 5, purl 1. Let's do it again. Purl 2, knit 5, purl 1. Please go on repeating again. Purl 2, knit 5, purl 1 as many times as needed. At the end, purl 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn last row number 8, slip the first stitch, knit 1, purl 7, knit 1, purl 7. Same as row number 1. That's it. Please go on repeating. Knit 1, purl 7, knit 1, purl 7 till the end. At the end, knit 1 and purl the last selvage stitch. That's it. Now you're going to repeat everything from row number 1. If you need a written instruction, you can find it on my blog. Please check link down. On my blog, you can find as well other stitch tutorials, beginner friendly and more advanced. So you're welcome to check them as well. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching me today. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.